So in this Canva tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add shadows to images in Canva here in the Canva mobile app. So once you have the Canva app open up on your device, next thing you have to do is add an image to your documents. We're going to go to the bottom left here and press on the purple circle with the plus. We're then going to go in the Elements tab and press on the Elements tab once again to get to this main menu. We're going to go to where it says Search Elements and we're going to type, how about a photo of a boat? So we're going to go ahead here and press Enter. We're going to press on See All. And how about we use this photo right here of this boat with a beautiful backdrop. So if you wanted to add a shadow to this image, it's super simple. What I want you to do now is press on the image. I want you to go down to the bottom screen right here to where it says Effects. So right between Replace and Filters at the bottom, there's an option that says Effects right here. Press on Effects. So once you're on this screen, there's three different options here. You have background remover, magic eraser, and magic edit. We actually don't want to use any of these whatsoever. We want to just press on the effects tab right beside tools right here to open up this option where it says shadows, autofocus, blur, and duotone. Since we want to add a shadow to this document, we're going to go ahead and press on the shadows option right here. So where the soccer ball is, press on shadows. There's a whole bunch of different options here, right? You can add glow, you can add drop, and you can add outline. We're going to go ahead here and just press on glow. And I'm going to press on glow one more time, and now you can play with the settings here in glow. So if you want to change the size of the glow, you can change the size, making it larger or smaller. You can change the blur amount where there's lots of blur or not very much blur at all. Angle, you can change the angle of the blur. It doesn't really matter. You can play around with it that way. Distance, you can play around with distance as well, sort of changing where the glow is coming from. And also to finally intensity. If you want to change the intensity from 50, you can type in 100, making it 100. If you want to change it back to 50, you can make it 50. And there you go. Now finally, if you want to change the color of the shadow, go ahead here to where it says color, press on the color tab, and you can change the color to whatever you want. So if you want to make it red, you can make it red. If you want to make it green, you can make it green. We'll just stick with this for this example. So we're just going to go ahead here, exit out of this, press on the X, and there you go. We have now added shadow to this image here in Canva using the Canva mobile app. I hope this video helps.